See this thing where some of us say, I only trade USDT to Naira, so I'm good. Yeah, that's cute, but it's also holding you back. Let me break it down. Yeah, let's start again. Now, trading only one pair is like going to a buffet and eating just rice, like every single time. Meanwhile, there is pasta, plantain, grilled fish, swallow, options. Why should you limit yourself? Listen, trading one pair might feel safe because you're used to it. You understand the rhythm, you're not stressing. But the truth is, markets move. And when your only pair is flat, you're stuck. Meanwhile, someone else is riding the wave on BTC/NGNX or USDT/BTC, catching profits. Think of it like this. If you only earn in one currency, your options are limited. But when you trade multiple pairs, you are giving yourself a bigger window, more ways to win and more ways to learn. Obiex gives you access to a range of pairs all in one place. You don't need to trade everything all at once. Just start with 2 or 3. Set your alerts, watch the patterns, and trade when it's right, not just when one pair wakes up. Bottom line, trading multiple pairs isn't about doing more. It's about trading smarter, staying flexible, and making the most of what the market gives you. Ah, it's hot!